The Pure Bundle by Sonible now has 7 plugins, because Pure Level has just been released. This latest entry is your automated fader. It writes the level of incoming audio to get a consistent level at the output. It does not compress or expand, it moves the volume knob only. And because of that, it keeps a natural sound, and it does it with great detail. On top of that, the plugin has a few neat tricks and functions up its sleeve. We'll go over all of that in this video. Now, many thanks to Sonible for sponsoring this video, and as always, I would never agree to a sponsored video if I wouldn't think the plugin is great to begin with. The plugin works like this. Like any Sonible plugin, press Analyze to let the plugin learn. In this case, it's the audio levels. This will change the level differences and set the overall level to whatever you have set here. The automated level differences this plugin applies are happening before the global level change. They are two different things. A little tip: when you double click the target level, it sets itself to whatever the incoming audio level was. This is great when you want to keep the before and after levels the same. So the plugin automatically changes the level like a fader. It becomes more obvious when I phase invert the rendered version with the original track. You can hear the differences clearly now. And it's also clear with the proper audio. Let me normalize these both parts to the same level in LUFS and play back and forth between the original file at the top and the rendered one below it. The original file is more dynamic and uneven. The rendered version with Pure Level is more even sounding and constant. Exactly what you want from a plugin like this. So you can control the intensity, set the level of the plugin, and the speed at which it does its leveling. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you stay up to date on the latest new plugins and more. Pure Level is even so effective that it can mask little playing inconsistencies, like this part of the same acoustic guitar. There's one softer stroke and Pure Level fixes that without effort. One of the tricks seasoned engineers use is to level audio before applying compression. This will guarantee a smoother compression sound, and Pure Level excels at this. Let me show you with a vocal. First we'll do compression without Pure Level, after that we'll do a pass with Pure Level enabled before compression.
I'll keep you safe, no need to feel so out of place. Just keep on moving, I've never been so wide awake. Is it too much to make you stay? Oh, I'll keep you safe, no need to feel so out of place. Just keep on moving, I've never been so wide awake. Is it too much to make you stay? Oh.
You hear the difference. Without Pure Level, the compression is more jumpy. With Pure Level, the compression sound is more constant. When you have a group of instruments, in this case 3 guitars from a live King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard recording, Pure Level and its leveling can actually make a messy performance more clear and solid. First I play the originals and then I play with Pure Level enabled. Listen to the change in focus. With Pure Level enabled, everything sounds more focused and usable, even with this messy playing. One final trick that Pure Level has is a group function. You can add an instance of the plugin to one of 4 groups and do macro things like changing level and relearn, and changing in which group an instance goes. All of that from within one interface.
Evil death roll now. You float and wait for me. Your scales are hard and green.
This is handy, especially when you have to handle a lot of audio tracks with the plugin on it. Think of background vocals, for instance. Now, because this plugin is constantly adjusting the level, it uses a buffer to ensure smooth operating. This is 960 samples, which equals 20 milliseconds at 48 kHz. The CPU performance is excellent. I didn't see any noteworthy CPU load at all. It's below 1% for me. Now if you wonder where exactly the Pure Bundle sits in the lineup of Sonible plugins, the Pure Bundle offers more functionality than what the Learn plugins offer, but it does not go as deep and far as the Smart plugins. It might be the best fit for you and your audio toolshed.